How to fix message unavailable on Instagram. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix if you're facing the issue where it says message unavailable. So this usually happens because if the message is expired or the content that is sent to you is no longer available on Instagram. For example, if I just go ahead and tap on this right here and then scroll up a bit. Here, as you can see, the live video is right now unavailable. It is hidden because the account is private. And in some cases, what will happen is it will show you that the message has been expired or the content is unavailable. This usually happens because it has been removed by the owner or it has violated certain terms and conditions of Instagram. So Instagram removed it from their platform. Now, in this case, there is nothing that you can do to recover it, but sometimes what happens is those kind of errors occur due to instability on your connection. So make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And it also usually happens because if Instagram servers are down, to detect that, you are gonna have to go to your web browser and you can search for down detector. And from here, you can search for any server issues. So search for Instagram here, hit enter, and it will show you the live outage of Instagram if there have been any reported. If Instagram server is down, then you're just gonna have to wait for it to come back up again. That is it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. You could also try to update the app to its latest version and you should be good to go. I'll catch you on the next one.